Okay, this video was made for Dr. Warren Dick over in Western Australia. Look, this is just to show you how the functions of each of the sections work for this particular table, the 440. This table is not exactly the same as the table you purchased, which is with the power section, the power front section. However, this one has got the air-assisted front section. The first thing we need to draw your attention to is the way that we control the drops. In this table, what we've got is a control knob that selects which drop is activated. In this case, we've got pelvic, LP, lumbar pelvic, DL is dorsal and lumbar, D is dorsal only, L is lumbar only. When we've selected the L or the DL, what we have now is this control knob here with a small dot placed in the centre of the table. Now, when that dot is pointing vertically up at the 12 o'clock position, that means there's equal tension between the lumbar section and the dorsal section. If we want to increase the tension in the lumbar section, we turn this BB in the direction of that section. It does never need to go past the 3 o'clock position. That's the maximum tension for that lumbar section. Likewise, for the dorsal, which is just this drop here, it need not go past the 9 o'clock position. That's the most tension required for the dorsal piece. The other function of this is a tilting dorsal section. What we've got is with this control knob, we can actually adjust the height and create an angle for to be anatomically correct for the patient, and we can adjust that in 4 different increments, from flat all the way through to around 7 or 8 degrees worth of adjustment height. The front section. With the head raiser, this might be very similar to the table you've had in the past. With this handle, we're lifting it up and raising the headpiece, and again, just gently sliding it down again. So again, raising and lowering. Now with the dorsal section, so we've selected D on our table, we've now got this knob control valve here. Now when it's pointing up to the 12 o'clock position, that means the headpiece is now turned off completely. Okay, so in the 12 o'clock position, headpiece is turned off. When it's in the 3 to 9 o'clock position, it's now activated. I'll show you what I mean. We're now activating the table by putting the foot strip on the floor. Headpiece is activated, and it drops. And it drops away like that. Now we're going to turn the valve off. You'll notice that only the dorsal section here activates. Back to neutral, drops away. So here we go. Now if you come around to the front of the table, you'll see what's part of the universal head raiser. So with this fingertip pressure, pushing this switch here, and again raising and lowering the headpiece. Very easy and very straightforward. Now with the table in the upright position, I'm going to show you the way this table moves. Come around this side, mate. With this table,
go lengthwise.
That's fine, mate, just as it is. With this table, we're just going to loosen this claw screw, and this one here has got ear assist as it moves up and down. You'll notice that with the ear assisted, the pelvic section moves separately. With the pelvic section, there's just a claw screw down the bottom, and it raises and lowers very gently on a spring. Now, with your table, these two parts slide together. I don't have the buttons to show the operation of it. However, up around the headpiece, there is 2 buttons, one up and one down. The whole section, the whole table will slide up and the whole table will slide down. I have got another video that I'll cut you in on to show you that function. If you do have any other questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. By all means, give me a call, 1-800-767-149, and we'll take it from there.